South Korea's job growth is seemingly picking up momentum, with last month's annual growth rate seeing an on-month increase for the first time in 10 months. But the employment figures for people in their 20s and below and those in their 40s saw a drop. Our economic correspondent Shin Ha-young has the numbers.
South Korea's 9-month decline for on-year job growth finally came to the end in March. According to data released by Statistics Korea on Wednesday, there were 28.2 million people in employment last month, up around 469,000 from the previous year. This marks growth for the 25th consecutive month. However, it's the first time that growth exited the previous month in 10 months after consecutive declines were recorded beginning in June 2022. Statistics Korea says the data is in line with efforts to embrace a return to normal life under eased COVID-19 restrictions, which has resulted in an increase in outdoor activities. Job growth was driven by people aged 60 and above, which had the largest increase among all age groups with 547,000 on year. On the other hand, employment figures for those in their 20s and below and also for those in their 40s dropped from the previous year. New jobs were mainly created in the healthcare and social assistance sector, with 186,000 people hired, followed by 177,000 jobs in the accommodation and restaurant sectors. Jobs were lost in the manufacturing, retail, wholesale, and construction industries. Meanwhile, during a job task force meeting on Wednesday, the first vice finance minister announced that the government has selected several industries to focus on in order to bolster employment.
We will discuss specific plans to attract and train more workers, improve working conditions and bolster support for job matching in 4 industries, including domestic construction, shipping, fisheries and resource recycling sectors that have been experiencing a shortage of labour.
According to the minister, the number of job vacancies in February increased to around 210,000 after a slight decrease in January. He added that industries such as shipbuilding and healthcare are still having difficulties finding enough workers. During the meeting, ways to solve the labor shortage were discussed, and the government is planning to announce specific measures regarding the matter in the future. Shin Ha-young, Arirang News.